What is up, guys? Welcome back into the channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping in. So you can tell we have a full shop. We have the 98 in here, the 99's over there. Just want to make just a quick video on this. Obviously you got new tires. I don't know if I showed you guys that. And then I did all new body bushings on it because the other ones were terrible. If you follow me on Instagram, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Changed those out. Just changed the oil. I got an air filter coming, checked all fluids and stuff, and then we also pulled the old cluster bezel out because the clips that hold in like the light switch here were all broke, so I kind of had it taped in. And then I broke the vent here and it was driving me insane, so we got the new one. You know, also you're gonna put in our door handle bezels, and then I put in new clips here on the door panel. Just to kind of clean everything up a little bit. But this video is strictly on this turd back here. If you guys don't know, this is a 99 Silverado. I call it the Junkyard Dawg, just because it's rough looking. It's got some dings and dents, like in the fender. Got some rocker panel rust, not too much cab corner rust. Rear arch wells are pretty much gone, but this is, like I said, just kind of fun project. But today, we're gonna be focusing on those. So I ordered the headlights, like, I don't even know how long ago, probably 2 weeks ago, and I was hoping they were gonna be here last weekend, but then they got delayed or something. They finally showed up yesterday. So we're gonna get rid of these stock ones, because this one here was actually self-tapered into the old Grille, which this is the new one. Looks fantastic. Did the splatter effect on the bow tie. I am looking for a front bumper. I don't know if I want to go chrome or if I'll just get a black one, but whatever. And then we also have the new cold air intake in here. Looks fantastic. Went in fairly simple. I do need to trim up some of the plastic, like this here is going to bug me because it sticks up way higher. I just OCD about things like that. We got that done. I think I'm going to take this off and just paint it like a flat black or gloss black or something to kind of match the grill and just kind of clean it up underneath here a little bit. Same thing with the fan shroud, just to kind of make it a little bit neater. But no, new headlights are there. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the tailgate down on the 98 here, get everything pulled out, and then I'll show you exactly what we went with. So what we have here, guys, is like a black housing with the kind of tinted front piece here. Will definitely look better than these yellowed, ugly factory ones. But I did buy LED bulbs. They're actually in right there. So I'm gonna toss those in. So the headlights and everything, high and low beam, will be LEDs. It's pretty simple on these trucks to get these headlights out. It's 1 and 2 pins. That comes out. That one comes out, and then this pulls straight out like that. And then this bottom one, it just clips in, so you just kind of clips in back here, and then clips in the front. You just kind of just yank on it, and it pops out. So I'm gonna get those LEDs thrown in here, and in that headlight, we'll take these, toss them in there, and then voila, it'll be like a brand new truck. Just like that, guys, they are changed. Look how much better that looks. Looks fantastic. Now if we can just get a new bumper, but I went ahead and put an LED bulb here and then obviously up here on both sides. So let me flip on the lights real quick and I'll show you exactly what everything looks like. So LED there, LED there. Oh yeah, I don't mind the burnt out bulb on that side, but there we go. It looks way better, starting to actually become a complete truck again. But like I said, I do want to find a front bumper for that, just because this one is dented and they painted it green and I don't like it. So if I can find one that's either painted black or a chrome one or whatever, I'll probably toss it on there just to kind of make the front end look a little bit better. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and back this thing out and we'll just kind of show you around it real quick. Here it is out in the sunlight, guys. Like I said, don't judge me on that bumper. That thing's not good shape at all. But this truck's actually starting to come together. Front end looks good. Also, I didn't make a video on it just because there wasn't obviously headlights or anything in. But we also changed taillights. Hopefully you guys can see those all right. Got rid of the ugly tri-colored ones. So obviously this is the before and the after. These are just like the cat eyes style. It's got like the two bigger bulbs with a tint over top, which I like that look. It cleans it up. Obviously we started debadging everything. I'm painting the bottom of it black yet, so the right in front of the wheel's already hit, but I got to do the whole lower side. And then I think we're gonna end up making just some decals that say Silverado, and maybe one that says Chevy on the back, to get rid of that ugly bubbled up emblem there. But no, it's starting to come together. Like I said, I'm gonna paint the bottom all the way across black. Hopefully it will clean up the look. Sorry for the wind noise. I'm gonna try and shield the camera here. But no, it's starting to come together really well. I mean, you take this thing back probably 2 months ago and it was just a gobbled up mess. Didn't run, didn't drive. Well, I guess it ran, just didn't move. Ran rough, changed spark plugs, cold air intake, exhaust. So she's coming together. So that being said, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy this type of stuff. Might be throwing some farm videos here together real soon, because obviously we're gonna be cutting hay. But yeah, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.